You searched how to buy shares of Revelation Biosciences Inc. This company operates in biotechnology and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REVB. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform's search field and type the ticker REVB to find Revelation Biosciences Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing for the correct company. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement and basic company details. Make sure the name, ticker, and exchange all match before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. After the order fills, you will see the new position in your portfolio, including quantity and current value. For the eToro link and more information, check the description below.